Welcome to Walking in Circles with Heidi Gammill, aka Nest Pretty. Nest Pretty is all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. You can learn more about it in the book, The Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide, which is in Amazon. Okay, so it is way too cold for me to go outside and walk in circles. So again, I'm coming to you from my bedroom. So I just want to talk a little bit about how making decisions once helps us to reach and attain our goals. And that's what running in circles is all about, the small steps that you take every day to reach your goals. And how deciding things once takes all the overwhelm out of any goal that you may be reaching forward towards. Just deciding once. So that in the morning you're not having the mental drama. Am I going to do it today or am I not going to do it today? Here's the bottom line. I'm just going to tell you, you're never going to want to do what you set out to do. You're never going to feel like it, ever. So you are normal if you set a goal and then you don't want to do it. It's just life. So setting a goal with an intention and then following through is all about deciding once. It's not easy. It takes a lot of self-control and a lot of the thought of having your own back, like backing yourself up, keeping the promises you make to yourself, all of those things. So I say all of that to say that this month my goal is to get all of my taxes done, and also at the same time get all the papers taken care of. I know recently we've had to gather a lot of papers, information, and it's made me realize that my process that I have right now is not working for quick retrieval. So my goal this month is to to nest pretty my personal affairs. And I want to take you on that journey with me. So if you want to get started, in my bio is a link and it's called Documents to Gather. That's going to be step number 1 in the process of nest prettying our affairs. Also in the Facebook group, next week I'm going to do a training along those lines. So if you're not in there yet, then join us, and it'll be in the guide section always, so you can always check it out later. Those are the things. Decide once, follow through, realize you're not going to want to follow through, but keep the promises you make to yourself. That's what running in circles is all about. Putting one foot in front of the other. So happy, getting ready for February, gathering your taxes, getting your documents all together. Let's do this together. I'm excited. And sometimes just saying it out loud, making yourself accountable to other people, may help you to reach your goals. If you're having a hard time keeping the promises you make to yourself, sometimes it helps to tell other people. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty. Welcome to the world of Nest Pretty, and we will talk soon. I'm going to do some stretching because I'm not going to go outside and run because it's like 39 degrees. I'm so sorry, I can't. Have a great day. Bye.